fresh ribeye steak. Now we just wait. It's been for probably like 30 seconds or so, I don't know. Maybe 1 minute, I don't know. It's getting good. Time to flip it. So we just go like that, under, and then, oh, that wasn't a good flip, guys. I'm new at cooking steak. All right, it's cooking. It's getting good. Let's see. Let's flip it. Oh my God. Well, guys, that was a good flip, right? So, guys, now I'm actually gonna take it off. Let's see. Wow, that looks like a good steak, and you can see the bottom. Rated at 10 out of, rated like 1 to 10. How did I make this steak? Let's see the final results. Let's see the inside. Let's see how good I cooked this steak. Not very good at cutting. All right, let's see. Just gonna cut the middle. And what's on the inside? That looks like well done, but I think it's medium.